how to use Vlookup in Microsoft Excel. In this video, I'll show you how to use Vlookup on Microsoft Excel. So to be able to use Vlookup, go ahead and enter equals Vlookup into the section. And then the first thing that you need to do is to enter the lookup value that you're trying to look for. So for example, my lookup value is 1006. After that, you need to enter the table array. So for example, my table array would be A2 to G9, which means the whole table. And then after that, you need to enter the call index num. So for mine, it would be 7. And then after that, you need to enter the range lookup. So once you're done with this, hit on enter and this will pop on the result. So as you can see, this is basically correct since it matches the value that you can find under 1006. And that is how you can basically use VLOOKUP in Microsoft Excel. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.